Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have been keeping up with my shorts recently, I've been trying to figure out my hair type, and I asked you guys what you think it is. Definitely not curly. I wouldn't say it's straight, I'd say it's wavy. But today we're gonna explore that a little bit more, and we're gonna do a curly hair routine. Greta Wilson is a famous TikToker who has this wavy hair routine. I don't have exactly all of the products, but we're gonna try that out to see what texture my hair really is, and kind of explore that a little bit more. And maybe this will act as a tutorial for you. If not, go check out Greta Wilson because she's awesome. You watched my last two videos, you know that I have some goals for 2025 that I've been getting into, and I wanted to do a quick little update. I think so far this is my third week. I have felt so much more energized throughout the day, but also when I wake up, even if I got 6 hours, which is really low for me, I need at least 8 to 9 hours of sleep to feel great. But even if I get 6 or 7, waking up I feel way more energized, and I think that's the water I've been putting in my body. I've been drinking the correct amount of water I should be drinking, and I've been feeling great. My energy is better, but I don't feel as productive. Without further ado, let's get to this video and see what hair type my hair really is. Okay, first things first, these routines typically start with soaking wet hair. So I'm going to go into the shower and get my hair soaking wet. Okay, my hair is literally dripping everywhere, but we're gonna use curl cream. I don't have curl cream, but she used leave-in conditioner for one of her friends, and I don't have leave-in conditioner also, but I do have Olaplex regular conditioner. It's not leave-in, but we're just gonna take literally the smallest amount, oh my gosh, and put it on my ends, and just my hair isn't brushed. Should I brush it? No one tells you this stuff. And we're just gonna scrunch. Okay, now she uses a mousse. I have this travel size of Not Your Mother's Curl Talk. So I don't know, that does not look right. Oh well. She puts it down. That's a lot actually. We're gonna do both times. She goes praying hands, I think she calls it, and then scrunch. Oh my gosh. Praying hands and then scrunch. By the way, yesterday was the start of Lent. I'm giving up chocolate, and so far that has been literally more difficult than my goals I set for 2025. I was sitting at lunch with my friends and they all were eating chocolate. Oh well, it's fine. Tell me what you guys are doing for Lent. Give me some good ideas for next year. Now she uses gel. I use this Eco Style one. I get it from Target. All this stuff you can find at Target. But I use this for my slick backs. So hopefully it'll be okay for this. I'm just gonna use a little bit, I think, because I feel gel could get really just nasty. It can make my hair really not great. Also, if this fails, I have school. I need to leave for school in literally 30 minutes maybe. No, probably 40 minutes. So if this doesn't work, I don't know what to do because I need my hair down today because of the shirt I'm wearing. I just need my hair down. So unfortunately, this has to work. Okay, she goes in with the gel, and right after the gel, some of my hair isn't curling actually. Some of the hair on the bottom of my head isn't. I think also my hair is super long, And my hairstylist said that like, because my hair is so long, it all like weighs down. But now she goes in immediately with the microfiber towel. I don't know if this is microfiber or not, but it's definitely a towel. It's a hair towel. And we're just gonna try to get as much product and stuff out as possible. Oh yeah, this is great. Look at all of that. Literally look. Next, she diffuses her hair. This is the hair dryer I always use, this rub-on one. It's red, that's why I got it. I thought that it looked cool. So like literally any hair dryer will do. Okay. Any hair dryer will probably do as long as it doesn't break before you use it. But we're gonna put a diffuser on and she hovers and then scrunches. Oh my god, I love my hair. It's fine. I think it's fine. It's mostly dry right now, but she lets it like sit for a little bit, so I'll probably go make breakfast. But I'm really like unsure about how much of this is like my actual like wave pattern and how much of it is like scrunching. Like me just like making it like that. Because like there's like, it's like straight on the top of my head and then it goes into like a curl. But I think I'm also gonna let it dry. Like I think I'm just gonna wear my hair like to the side right now so it like hopefully dries with more volume. I think that might be the move. I don't know, so far it looks like promising, but like how cute is it really compared to just like how I normally wear my hair? So she's pretty much mostly dry. I mean, I don't know. I wouldn't go through this whole process again for like this. Like maybe, like it's low-key cute. Like it's cute. It's just I like also to tuck my hair like behind my ears, which like messes up stuff. I don't know. I like kind of like it. Like I like it. It's just I feel like I look different. I'm just gonna put in some like this anti-frizz stuff because I don't really have any oil. So I'm just gonna put a little bit of that like in my hair. Yeah, that made things look better. Like I just feel like people at school are gonna be like, dude, what the heck is up with your hair? Because it looks completely different. I like vibe with it though. Just like my front pieces are like a problem. Yeah, what do we think? Here's the back. Is it cute? I kind of like it. I feel like it's a success. Okay, well that's pretty much it. Thank you for watching this entire video. Let me know if you try it out. I feel like this is super fun, and if you don't know what your hair type is, definitely experiment with it. It was a lot of work, but honestly, like if I wanted to like display my hair type, like I would do this again because it makes me feel more me, I guess. Even though like I've never worn my hair like this in my life. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe if you aren't. Like and subscribe if you aren't already. I put out videos every Monday, and I don't know. I can't stop looking in the mirror because like I don't know. I like it. I was hesitant about it like 2 minutes ago, but like now I really like it. Okay, well, I'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.